It's been over 2 years since I found this, a gorgeous mid-century modern solid mahogany dresser, and I only paid $10 for it. I've been using it as my dresser ever since, but the splitting of the wood was getting worse and worse, so I decided it was time for a facelift. I started the repair by squirting some wood glue into the cracks and laid the dresser on its back so gravity would be on my side. I unfortunately didn't have large enough wood clamps, so I used dumbbells instead, which actually worked really well. Once the glue dried, I sanded off the old finish, which was basically non-existent, and then it was time for the fun part, the 3-step staining process. My first step was to apply pre-stained wood conditioner by Minwax to prevent any blotching or streaking. After 15 minutes, I wiped off any excess and applied 1 coat of Early American by Minwax. It's their wood finish oil-based penetrating stain, and it went on beautifully. And now it's time for the last step, sealing it all up with Minwax oil-based Fast Drying Polyurethane. I absolutely love this stuff because of the durability and how easy it is to apply. For a flawless finish, I always sand lightly with a really fine grit sandpaper before applying the last coat. Now, just a reminder, here's the before and here's the after. I absolutely love how much depth the stain added to this piece. You would never even know that there was a crack in the wood with how well the repair took. Safe to say I'm obsessed, and I'm definitely not going to be selling this one. It's crazy how a little stain and styling can transform a piece.